Learning from Home, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that has become increasingly relevant in recent years. Learning from home. Whether due to global circumstances, personal choice, or simply the evolution of educational technology, learning from home has become a part of many of our lives. So, let's explore what it means to learn from home, how it differs from traditional learning environments, and some tips to make the most out of it. We hope you'll find this guide helpful and informative. Learning from home refers to the process of acquiring knowledge, skills, or education from one's own living space rather than in a traditional educational environment like a school or university. This can include a wide range of activities, from formal online courses and virtual classrooms to self-directed study and using educational software. The key aspect of learning from home is that it allows for flexibility in terms of time, pacing, and often, the choice of subject matter. One of the major advantages of learning from home is flexibility. Learners can often set their own schedules, allowing them to balance education with other responsibilities like work or family. Additionally, learning from home can be more accessible for those who live far from educational institutions or have mobility challenges. It also allows for a personalized learning experience, where students can spend more time on topics they find challenging and less on those they master quickly. While learning from home has many benefits, it also comes with its own set of challenges. One of the biggest is the need for self-discipline and motivation. Without the structure of a traditional classroom, learners need to be proactive in managing their time and staying focused on their studies. Another challenge is the potential for isolation, as learners may miss out on the social interactions and support networks that come with in-person education. To overcome these challenges and make the most of learning from home, consider the following tips. Create a dedicated study space that is comfortable and free from distractions. Set a regular study schedule to help manage your time effectively. Stay connected with teachers, classmates, or peers online to maintain a support network. Utilize a variety of resources, including online courses, educational apps, and digital libraries, to enhance your learning experience. Take breaks and look after your well-being to maintain focus and motivation over time. Learning from home offers a unique set of opportunities and challenges. By understanding what it entails and adopting strategies to manage your time, stay motivated, and connect with others, you can make the most of this flexible and accessible way of learning. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into learning from home. Remember, the key to success is finding what works best for you. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.